What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So, it is Tesla Tuesday. Should be. Hope so. Yeah, anyway, we're going to talk about Tesla in this video. So, not much to break down as far as price action goes, as far as Tesla goes. We will get into that. But I did want to pull up Twitter just to kick this off. It'll take just a couple seconds. After hours, there was a pop. I guess in court, they were reading out Elon's text. And it was, let's hold off on buying Twitter. Putin's conversation tomorrow is important. There's no need to be buying Twitter for going into World War III. And I think a lot of people took that as a hint that Elon might be forced to buy Twitter, or that they're trying to stall it for a few days. So I guess keep an eye on that. I know as far as the whole Twitter debate goes, he's got the money now, so everything's good. The whole thing is he can buy Twitter, and we carry on as such. Or he doesn't have to buy Twitter, and then everybody's hoping, and what we'll probably see a green reaction in Tesla is he's going to buy his shares back. So kind of keep an eye on that, and that's what we got today. I saw, so when that news came out, we did see Twitter pop a little bit. As far as Tesla goes itself, so personally, I'm still in this. I actually swung this. Didn't want to do anything on this current sell-off. I didn't want to sell or stop out inside this zone. So I got to just do nothing today. Watch it go down and up. I did not add on. So still hanging out. And I got to say, as far as the markets go, so we've sold off and we're kind of in this speed bump zone, and we found some buyers a couple times, but are we exhausting them? Because that's still just a lower high. Exhausting whatever buyers are left, and then we drop this thing down to the 250 mark. And if I guess if the markets don't pick up, I would have to assume that's the next move for Tesla. And not that I'm interested in shorting it, maybe something intraday. I talk about moves I'm going to do, and I just can't for sure say I'm going to short Tesla. Largely just not something I've been profitable with. Swinging, I've traded Tesla a bunch. I love Tesla. I have the worst luck when it comes to swinging anything Tesla puts overnight. So I guess if we're really looking for the Cybertruck to be announced, let me know. I'll grab a put. We'll swing it overnight, because I'm almost certain if I swing a put overnight, we're announcing the Tesla bot. Like, for sale, everyone can buy it. It's going to be a surprise on the website. The semi's coming out, and so is the truck, probably even the Roadster. So if I need to take one for the team, let me know in the comments down below. Do I need to buy like an at-the-money put, swing that, and then who wants to grab some calls for me? It's almost a surefire bet it's going up. As far as my trading account goes, that will be a stop out, and I'll look to buy some more at the 250. Right now, I think largely what's going to impact this probably will be, we're going to go over this on the Don Front show, is the, not the SPU, just the overall markets in general. And we've bounced. We've hung out. It's a short week this week, but also we did nothing today. We bounced, we hit, we held, and that's it. So if we don't see a whole lot of turnaround Tuesday action tomorrow and some green and some follow-through, I don't think Tesla bounces. I think the markets melt off, and I think with that comes its own gravity or weight, and we'll see things like Tesla melt off. Yeah, as a trader, I'm still going to buy the 250 because I expect to bounce. I'll just get my stops in the green. Just not to make any mistake, or that's still a downtrend. So if I'm buying in these zones and it pops, my stop does go. This is not my investment account. This is my trading account. As far as my investment account goes, I think I'll probably skip this middle zone. I'm going to buy some more here at the 250. I'll buy some more down here at the 2s if we get there. But I don't like just chunking in and just buying every dip in the investment account. So I'll buy some more here, because I can see that being a pretty solid support level at holding. And then I really think the Feds are going to just jerk everybody around. I think we're full-blown, economy just not doing so hot. We're seeing new laws getting put into place. Something about California now. The fast food workers getting $22 an hour plus cost of living expenses. So, like, they get paid $22 an hour. You know how that affects everything. Everything goes up, because to pay their employees $20 an hour, they'd have to raise the prices. Everything just goes up, including rent. And then all of a sudden, rent goes up, so now it's this just downward spiral. Now they got to make more. I forget where I was going with that. I try not to get too political, but anyway, I think a lot of crazy stuff is just not going to happen because we have midterms around the corner. And I think we just get jerked around, a little bit up, a little bit down, just keeping that dollar on the end of the fishing line, just reeling us in, and then they smoke us next year. So I do want to be as far as my investment account goes, I do want to have a decent amount of cash aside. So I don't want to just go crazy and buy everything at 250 or buy again at 210. Because if that does happen and we just go into melt mode, or maybe it's not necessarily a good time, like we finally face facts that we are in a recession, things weren't that good, you can't just print trillions of dollars and then nothing happened, you know. So we finally like, oh, so that's what happens, you know. With every action there's a reaction. We sit through that. I don't want to just, you know, buy some more and barely bring my average down. I like to really lay in on those when they're lower. So I'm going to be conscious of that for the rest of the year. In all my investments. And yeah, I'm gonna make a new video coming out, so I'm gonna talk about my top 4, what will be my top 4 should that happen. Where I'm looking to go crazy, Tesla is still number 1. But first and foremost, as far as tomorrow goes, we need that to bounce, need it to hold. I would watch out for sellers at the 280 level. We know Tesla loves the $80 mark. On any 100 level, like the $80 mark, it just likes, it struggles, it hangs out. So we need, it'd be great if we could just push above that and get to the 284, at least throw off a higher high. You know, at that point, as a trader being bullish, it's cool. I'm still probably on the lookout for a lower high and maybe continue that trend down, but wouldn't mind ending this trade in the green. But anyway, I'll wrap it up here. Short and sweet for you guys. That's what I'm watching for Tesla tomorrow. We were expecting a $13 move this week. Got nothing. So, yeah. Excitement comes out there. Anyway, I'll see you all on the Don Franz Show. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, thumbnail, or not thumbnail, the thumbs up, all of that. And I'll see you in the next video.